Everybody, today I am taking a class in Excel regarding VLOOKUP. Okay, my name is Rizwan. I am computer teacher of Micropark Computer Education Bangalore. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to Excel. Okay, now I'll maximize the sheet. Now what I'll do, I'll type some detail. I'll create an employee table. Employee number, employee name, employee salary, and employee department. Okay. Now I'll type some employee numbers. I'm creating one employee table. Okay. I'm creating one simple table regarding employees. Now I'll create some salaries. And I'm creating different departments. Okay, whichever department you want, you can select. Now in VLOOKUP, what I am doing, just you select the heading of the table, copy it, Control C, then you go back to one more new position, press Control V. Now copy and paste the headings. Now you apply the formula. Equals, you say VLOOKUP. Okay. VLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP, what you are doing? In VLOOKUP, first we are selecting the row value. Okay, we are selecting the row value, comma, then we are selecting full table, comma, then we are giving the column number. Vertical means column number. Okay. Now here what you are doing, we are checking for row value. We are setting a row value and searching for the column value. Okay. Now what I am doing, first we select the row value, comma, then select full table. Now which column you want to select? Suppose if I say 1, it will select for employee number. If I say 2, name. 3 means salary. 4 means department. Like that. Each column is given by the number. Okay. Then you say comma false. Actually, what is the meaning of false? False stands for exact row matching with exact column. Then press enter. Okay. Now what will happen? Same value is copied in the another table. Now once if I drag, it will show what are the details in the first table. It will show in the second table. See now. Like this. Okay. Actually, in VLOOKUP, what is happening here means whatever changes I make in the main table, it will reflect in the sub table. VLOOKUP is for linking the table from linking the data from one table to other table. Whatever changes I make, it keep on changing. See, like this. Now suppose if I want to link the same data to other sheet. Okay. Same thing. What you do, again you select the heading, Control C, you go back to next sheet, and again increase the size. Again you say Control V, same process. Again you say equals VLOOKUP. Okay. Open the bracket. What you do, again you go back to the main table. Okay. Okay, main table. Again what you do, first what you will say, first you select the row value, comma, then select full table, comma, then you say column number, comma, you say false. Okay, click on false. Then press enter. What happening? Same data is copied to the one more sheet. Okay. Once if I drag, same data is repeated. Means I want to link the data from one sheet to other sheet. Now here, now observe here. Now whatever changes I make in one table of one sheet, it will reflect all the table of other sheet. Now see. Now suppose if I give a name, okay, I'll say Naveen. Okay. Now some salary. Okay. Then I'll say stores. Now observe here. Now whatever changes I make, same data is reflected in the second table also. Again same data is reflected in the one more sheet which I linked. Okay. Now like that, VLOOKUP is for linking the data between different sheets. Okay, thank you.